Hi, I'm Jason Smart. Are you looking to make money online either as a side hustle or as a full-time gig? Well, as a single dad, I can definitely understand and you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you how you can copy my high-ticket affiliate marketing system for yourself. This is the same system that allowed me to quit my day job, and you could be making $5,000 or more a month in commissions by selling other people's products. If you followed this system, you could be making the same results. Now, step one is to promote the 15-day challenge with Legendary Marketer. The reason I promote this product is twofold. One, it's a fantastic training program that teaches you how to be an internet marketer, and it only costs $7. The skills that I learned on that program are what let me build this high-ticket affiliate funnel that I'm giving you today. Second, Legendary Marketer has a series of high-ticket upsells that they promote to people that you send to their sales page. They have products up to $2,500, and as an affiliate, you can be making up to 40% commissions off those sales. So if there's a sale of $2,500, you would be getting a $1,000 commission, meaning that you'd only have to make a couple of sales a month to make a full-time income. Now, to become an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, you do have to complete the 15-day challenge, so it's very important that you complete that step first. Click the link below to join the challenge and then continue on to step 2.